Welcome to this FL Studio tutorial on how to copy a pattern. In FL Studio, copying a pattern is referred to as cloning. Cloning allows you to create an exact duplicate of a pattern, including all its elements such as piano roll or step sequencer notes, as well as the pattern's title. To clone a pattern, follow these steps. First, locate the pattern selector, and beside it, you'll find the Pattern Options drop-down menu. Open the menu and click on the Clone option. FL Studio will now generate a new pattern that is an exact copy of the original. This process not only duplicates the notes and elements within the pattern, but also replicates the pattern's title. By the way, alternatively, you can also use the keyboard shortcut Shift plus Ctrl plus C for a quick and efficient way to clone a pattern. Now you know how to easily copy a pattern in FL Studio using the cloning feature. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more FL Studio tutorials.